Yo, what is up, everybody? It's your boy DR coming at you with a brand new video, and this one's for all my skinny legends out there. Alright, let's talk about something we don't discuss enough: how to gain weight. If you've tried eating more pizza and just ended up with a food coma and a zero-change scale, you're not alone. We're diving deep into the science of gaining weight, busting some myths, and giving you the ultimate guide to finally see those numbers on the scale go up. So if you're tired of being the skinniest one in the friend group, then buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get you on the road to Gainesville Population U. First off, let's be real. If you're underweight or just can't seem to pack on those extra pounds, there's usually a reason behind it. It's not because your metabolism is of energy, and it's not a curse from the gods of genetics. One of the biggest culprits? You guessed it, not eating enough. If you're not consuming more calories than your body burns, you're not going to gain weight. It's like trying to fill a bathtub with the drain unplugged. You're putting something in, but it's going right back out. Another thing to consider is your activity level. Are you a hardcore athlete, always on the move? You might be burning more calories than you realize. Sometimes underlying health issues can affect your weight. If you're really concerned, it's always a good idea to chat with your doctor. They can help rule out any serious problems and give you personalized advice. Now let's get into the meat and potatoes of it. Literally, that's what we're talking about. But here's the catch. It's not about just throwing back whatever food you can find in the fridge. Ever heard the phrase, "you are what you eat"? Well, guess what? If you eat junk, you're going to feel like junk. We're talking about ditching the empty calories and loading up on nutrient-dense foods. Think whole grains, lean proteins, fruits, veggies, the good stuff. Remember, this isn't just about gaining weight, it's about gaining weight the way. Start small. Swap out that sugary cereal for some oatmeal with fruit and nuts. Choose grilled chicken over fried chicken. Having a support system makes a world of difference. Challenge each other to try new healthy recipes, hit the gym together, or just hold each other accountable. And adjust your diet accordingly. Here's the twist. Just eating more won't cut it. You need to put that fuel to good use. Want to turn those extra calories into muscle, not just fat? Let's talk about building mass, not just fluff. We're talking about hitting the weights, baby. Strength training is where it's at when it comes to gaining weight the right way. It helps build muscle mass, which not only makes you look good, but also boosts your metabolism and helps you burn more calories even at rest. Start with body weight exercises like push-ups, squats, and lunges. As you get stronger, you can gradually add weights or resistance bands. Remember, consistency is key. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's playing sports, dancing, swimming, or even just going for a walk with friends. The key is to get moving and stay active. Alright, so there you have it. Gaining weight is more than just eating anything and everything. It's about fueling your body with the right nutrients, incorporating strength training, and yes, being patient with the process. No magic pills here, just good old science and consistency. You got this. Now tell me, what's the hardest part about gaining weight for you? Drop a comment below and let's chat. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.